Streamlit versus Tkinter. Which Python GUI framework is better? Choosing the right Python GUI framework can completely change how you build applications without struggling with complexity. Streamlit offers simplicity for web apps, while Tkinter focuses on desktop interfaces. Streamlit and Tkinter are popular Python GUI frameworks designed for different purposes. Streamlit excels at quickly creating interactive web apps, while Tkinter is a standard library for building traditional desktop applications. The core difference lies in their target platforms and ease of use. Streamlit is an open-source Python framework that enables rapid development of interactive web applications. It works by running Python scripts that automatically generate a web interface, allowing developers to build dashboards and data apps with minimal front-end coding. Streamlit's strengths include its simplicity, fast iteration, and seamless integration with data science libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib. It supports real-time updates and reactive widgets, making it ideal for data visualization and prototyping. However, Streamlit is limited to web environments and may not suit applications requiring complex desktop features or offline use. Its user base typically includes data scientists, analysts, and developers focused on sharing insights through web apps quickly without deep knowledge of web development technologies. Tkinter is Python's standard GUI toolkit for creating desktop applications. It provides a comprehensive set of widgets such as buttons, menus, and text fields that run natively on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Tkinter works by wrapping the Streamlit GUI, enabling developers to build traditional graphical interfaces with full control over layout and event handling. Its strengths lie in its wide availability, stability, and suitability for offline desktop apps. However, Tkinter's interface design can be more complex and verbose compared to modern frameworks, and it lacks built-in support for web deployment. It is ideal for developers building standalone desktop tools or utilities that require native OS integration and offline functionality, especially when relying solely on Python's standard libraries. Streamlit and Tkinter serve distinct needs. Streamlit shines when creating data-driven web applications that require rapid prototyping and interactive visualizations accessible via a browser. It abstracts much of the front-end complexity, saving time but limiting customization for desktop-specific features. Tkinter, on the other hand, is perfect for building traditional desktop software with native look and feel, offering more granular control but requiring more setup and knowledge of GUI programming. For example, a data scientist sharing an interactive dashboard will benefit from Streamlit's simplicity, while a developer creating a cross-platform desktop utility will prefer Tkinter's robust widget set. The trade-off is between ease of web deployment and the depth of desktop customization. Choose Streamlit if your priority is fast, browser-based interactive apps with minimal coding, especially for data visualization and sharing insights online. Opt for Tkinter when developing offline, native desktop applications that require detailed control over the interface and system integration. Both frameworks excel in their domains, so selecting the right one depends on whether you focus on web simplicity or desktop functionality.